You got such a pretty
You
voice.
sound so good is the issue.
You got such a pretty voice. I feel like we're robbing Elizabeth Chin of your voice. We're sexy. It's like a team.
Team sexy. I told him we should have called our tour Two Cute Dudes.
There you go.
I just didn't see a bunch of. Here's the problem. I didn't see a bunch of dudes buying that shirt.
You didn't see some guys going to Ticketmaster like, I'd like 2 tickets for 2 cute dudes. You sure that wouldn't work out?
I think so. All right, just for the guy who keeps yelling at me. I promise you, if the crowd sings it with me, I'll play Sound of Madness for you later. Put a lot of pressure on yourselves. It's a lot of words.
We will sing. I promise, we will sing.
Okay, you're shutting everybody up. I hope you know that.
Hey, shine it. We'll do it.
She lives in 1847.
No.
Ladies
We
and
will
gentlemen, my partner in this, we've been friends a long time, and I'm blessed to tour with him, Mr. Justin Moore. I'm just going to be like you and sit down and enjoy a couple songs of his and Snapchat our friends about it. Okay. If you got a blue, you're not kidding. You're totally serious.
I'll take it.
I'm going to play it for you, but you better sing that shit so loud. You only know the part where it says Sound of Madness, don't you?
No.
100%.
But look, he's going to sing that one song
yeah.
with so much passion, it's going to feel like he's
When he says take your medicine, that shit's going to be like... Alright, you know, I'll be honest, I've only played that song twice in this whole show, but I'll play it here tonight because we're in our home state of Tennessee. In a minute, I'm going to let him do what he's going to do.
Thanks. He just said right on the set list, your name, and then play 2 or 3 songs. And I said, you want to play whatever? He said, play whatever.
I'm into it.
You're into it, all right. So I'm going to play, I guess I'll play one. I'm going to play one that I wrote and then one that I wish I wrote. But this,
I'll play a lot of songs that I wish I wrote.
I took our entire set list of the songs I wish I wrote.
Ladies and gentlemen, Justin Moore.
So this song is on the Ingram Hill record that we have. Ingram Hill's the name of the band that I'm in the record we have here tonight. I wrote it a long time ago, and it's still it's one of my favorite songs I've ever written. So I feel like it's still fun to play after like 10 years. So I figure if that's the case, maybe I should play it for you guys.